is I, Anna, and today I will be making pumpkin spice cookies. These cookies are just perfect for fall, and they have pumpkin and cinnamon in them, so they're just so good, and I'm so excited to make them today. What you will need to make this is 2.5 cups flour, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, a pinch of cloves, 1.5 tablespoons of water. Then we have 3/4 cup of shortening, 3/4 cups brown sugar, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree, and 2.5 cups flour. I don't remember if I already said the flour. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's get started. What you will need is a separate bowl, and you will take your flour, your cornstarch, and your baking soda and salt, and then all of your spices. Oof. Lots of spices. It already smells really good because you can smell all those spices. And then finally, just your cream of tartar. And we are going to mix that together using a fork until it is completely combined. So just mix it all together. One of my favorite parts of fall is all the spices that go into all the desserts and stuff, and it's just so good. Okay, now that I've got that mixed all together, I'm going to put it to the side so I can start on the other ingredients. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to put together my sugars, my vegetable shortening, and my water. And I'm going to mix that all up until it's all combined. And then I'm going to use my trusty silicone spatula to scrape the sides down to make sure that we get all of it combined so that we can add the pumpkin into the mix. Okay, that's all combined together. So now I'm going to add in my pumpkin. I'm going to just scrape it in there because it's going to stick to the sides of my bowl. and then I'm going to mix that all up. And it did not take very long for that all to combine. So I'm just gonna scrape all the sides down before I add my flour mixture. I'm going to take it all and just pour a little bit in there. And then mix it up. Then once that's all combined, I'm gonna pour a little bit more in and then mix it up. Okay, there. So that's all combined. So now I'm going to scrape down the sides of the bowl and then put a little bit of cling film on it and then put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. Okay, so that's all combined. So I'm just going to scrape down the sides and then cover it with cling film and then put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. Okay, so I just got this out of the freezer and it is cold and gonna be easy to form into little balls to put onto my baking sheets. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and I'm going to start making the balls for the cookies. So you just take them, roll them into a ball, put it on the cookie sheets. It's really easy. It's a lot easier though because we put them into the freezer so they'll form better. So I'm just going to be putting them on the sheet and I'm going to line it in a 3x4. So I'm going to line it in rows of 4 because it's just easier to do that. Okay, so I lined all my cookie sheets and now I'm going to put them into my oven that is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to put them in there for 10 minutes. So my cookies came out of the oven and they smell amazing. I'm so excited to eat them all. Thank you for watching my video and remember to like and subscribe if you would like to see more and comment below any ideas that you think I should bake. Also, thank you so much to whoever sent me this beautiful apron. I love it so much and it is so beautiful. I will probably wear it in every video. Thanks again for watching. Bye!